description.
Well, hello everyone. This is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came by way of James from Lakeside, California. In fact, today, tomorrow, and the next day will be all from him. Thank you very much. This is Indomie with their new Korean Ramyeon spicy mushroom flavor. And this is the first new Indomie for sale inside the US that I've seen in over 20 years. But it's great. That's great. However, it's not an Indonesian flavor, which really makes me sad. I really wish it were, but it is not. It's a take on Korean, plus it's mushroom flavor. I know there's a couple more, but they look to be more like Bulldogian. One of them's definitely Bulldogian. I can't remember what the other one is, but yeah, it's like, come on. Granted, I've had so freaking many varieties of Indomie that I've reviewed. I think it was, last count, it was over 70. By the way, you get to watch it cook. But hey, what gives? Why is the pretty music not happening? I think I know why. I think my speaker ran out of juice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug it in. Oh, get in. We're gonna attempt to plug it in. There you go. There we go. There we are. We're back in the business of beautiful music. Excellent. So, yeah, it's October 18th, 2025 today, I think. Let me double check that and reconnoiter. No, it's Friday, October 17th, 2025. Yeah, so the last 2 days, my wife's had just like, she suffers from horrible migraines, and she had some real doozies. So she's been off work for 2 days, and then today she's back to work, but I'm not out walking today because, well, I'll tell you that in a couple episodes. I've got one that's going to take 5 minutes, so I'll wait till I have time. But last night was a really incredibly bizarre happening. I will say that. But yeah, it is Friday. Tomorrow is No Kings 2.0. The big, I don't know, kind of protest thing that goes on around the country against the Trump administration. And I went to the last one and checked it out. I mean, I live in a small, kind of urban, I don't know, Kenmore. And on all the corners, there were people with signs and cheering and ringing bells and honking horns and all that stuff. Non-violent. It was like, these people wouldn't be violent if you put 10,000 volts through them. I mean, they're just like old hippies. It was very, very mellow. They're saying that it's Mike Johnson is calling it the Hate America rally. The whole principle of the United States is that there isn't a king. It's like Antifa. There's really no organized group called Antifa. and it stands for anti-fascism. So I guess if you're pro-fascism, you know, you can hate Antifa. I don't... God, stop trying to sell crap. But whatever. It's weird here. Don't move to the United States. If you can get out, because it's about to get weirder. We're like... Got the CIA going into Venezuela because dude doesn't like Venezuela, and we just started tariffs against China for like an extra 100%. It's like, dude, you're not good at this. You're not good at this. The people around you aren't good at this. Let's try these noodles. Very chewy. I would say almost underdone. But I cooked it the way they said, so it should be done. Here's the broth. Wow. Interesting. That's pretty good. I'm not getting like, wow, that's really mushroomy. I'm getting a lot of heat. In fact, a very, I will say, wow, that heat means business. And it's pretty tasty too. I'm like, I like this more than I expected to, I'll say that much. And can I recommend it? Yeah, this is interesting. There's our... The noodle is very thick. I really didn't expect the thickness. We got dumplings. Look at that. Okay, there's our dumplings. Generally, when I come across a mushroom variety, I think, you know, maybe some Chinese sausage might make sense. I don't think in this particular setup today. Doesn't feel right. Doesn't go for me. But you know... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. These are the last of the eggs. My very last eggs. Fine with me. These eggs have been a nightmare. They've ended up not working out so well way too often. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, there's that. Scallion. Scallions. Maybe a little bit more. There you go. The seeds. Good time for seeds. Yeah. I think that's all she wrote for that one. Rotate one down. Oh wait, I'm not done. Basil. I don't know why. I like how the basil looks right there. And crushed red pepper. Well, thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is this. Like I said, this is another one from James of Lakeside, California. Thanks so much, man. It's a cup, and it's Smoko! Spicy beef flavor noodle soup, artificial for the United States, made in Vietnam. So, we will see that on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.